Croeso I Ffordd y Bannau. Welcome to the Beacon's Way, a 100-mile hike stretching all the way across the Bannau Brycheiniog National Park. It's a route that was set in 2005 and it promises to offer many spectacular views along the way. According to all the guides, it's a multi-day hike that should take 8 days. So 3 of us set out to see if we could complete it, having never done a hike of this length before. The truth is, I was feeling nervous as I didn't know if I'd be able to complete it or not, but I was looking forward to the challenge nonetheless. So join us in the next couple of videos to give you an idea of what the walk entails, to see parts of the Brecon Beacons that you probably never have seen before, to see how well we coped on this walk, and to find out if we even managed to finish it at all. So let's go to the beginning of our 100-mile journey on day 1, where we set off from Llangadog train station in the lovely sunshine.
Yeah, joke. Well, here we are, boys. Beginning. It's the ideal start, I think. Right, does anyone want to go home? Can't be bothered. Hey, it's official now. We're on it. Hey, we're all happy. We're all wet. We do it, boys. Nice. Looking at the view, is it?
Yeah, beautiful view, guys. Gorgeous.
Wow. Boys, how are we feeling? First stop of the day.
Oh, I'm feeling on top of the world.
Yeah.
Great. Lovely.
Easy.
Easy.
Nice and dry.
Yeah. I've got a lovely cherry and almond flapjack. What a treat, man.
Oh, nice. How many miles have we actually done?
Got me figured out.
Probably about 3, is it?
Yeah. 4 miles. Cool.
4 miles in.
So what? 6 to go.
6 to go. 2 fast, not bad, is it?
How long have we been walking? What's the time now? 2. Just under 2 hours.
Just, yeah.
Yeah, we're doing alright. Apart from the fact that I got bog foot. Not happy about that. Put you next to it for scale. Nice.
Choose Winvo.
Where is he at? You there, Brent?
Yeah, good.
Not bad views. Yeah, what's this now? We got 4 miles down, you said?
Yeah, just about.
96 to go, boys. Come on.
Hey, forward test. Really easy. Didn't even notice it.
Right, so to give the audience some information, what are we looking at, Alec?
This is Garden Cork, the old Iron Age stone fort, 2,000 years old. Yeah, so this must be Garden Bach, the little fort we were on. Well, that is Garden Fawr.
Garden Fawr, or Gair Fawr, Garden Cork, Westbach. 2,000-year-old iron fort, Iron Age fort. That's crazy, mind, isn't it?
And look at the walls, like you can still see where the walls were. And look at that pile of stones there.
Yeah, the Romans would have come here, and they would have. This would be like the thing they would have seen, isn't it? Like, this is like the big fort in Wales.
Why was this a good spot for a fort, Brett?
Look at that valley. Look at that.
Look at that
view.
valley. Crazy.
Gorgeous.
Sorry, mate.
Yeah, on the hill.
There's a lot of box trees over there, man.
You see them, like just the little blocks on the road, right on the tops.
Oh yeah.
That's the Eppin trading range.
Oh yeah.
That's the Eppin, is it?
Yeah. So think about how fucking far away that is.
Yeah, Jesus.
Hey, no swearing. It's family,
Oh, yeah, sorry.
family friendly.
Beeping far away that is.
Hell of a spot, this. Fair play.
Gorgeous.
Imagine what it would have looked like 2,000 years ago.
Should have took a photo of that information board though.
I thought you say you should have took a photo of it 2,000 years ago.
That.
We've given all the information, to be fair.
Yeah. Boards.
Don't need boards.
The seeds are coming up here, or whatever. It would have been seeds, would it? Somebody a bit later. They've shit themselves all over sorry, pooing themselves, all the druids. All the druids doing their weirdness.
I try to think, it said 70 AD that the Romans reached here. Was it 70 AD?
Yeah.
We'll have to do a little bit of research later and find out. We'll tell you which emperor was in charge. So stay tuned, that's to come. History.
Who was the Roman emperor? Remember that, it will be on the quiz.
He's made it. Got my rocket back.
So here's some quick aerial shots of Garngoch. This part here is actually Gaer Fawr, so the bigger of the two hilltop forts, which is right on top of the hill there, with Gaer Fach being the smaller one just off to the left. Now, it's a prehistoric site. There was evidence of people around 2000 to 2500 years ago, and when we say prehistoric, all that means is it's before history, and history in Britain begins when the Romans arrived and began to write stuff down. Before that, there was no records, nothing written down by the Britons. So yeah, it's a really cool site to start day one off with. It would have been cool to see this whole settlement in its prime, when there was traders, merchants, people of all sorts coming in and out. Like I say, it's quite a dramatic fort on top of the hill, and I would have liked to have known what the Romans' first reaction was to it. Like I say, did they think it was too difficult to take? You know, was this place even set up for defences in the first place? Was it just a trading town? No one really knows. There's lots of questions, but it's really interesting nonetheless. And as we see in the video, my sleeping mat fell off the back of my bag, so I learned from this point onwards that I needed to actually tie it on properly.
Hey, look at that. Every south facing like up on that roof, like quite high up.
Oh yeah.
What are they? Hi. Oh yeah, yeah.
We're going chasing each other.
Wow, that is beautiful.
That was cool.
Oh, here we go. Nice little woodland. Down there.
You made it.
So I reckon what, we halfway? Over halfway?
Probably about 6 or so miles down.
Lovely stuff. So we're really lucky that it's blackberry season. Just great snacks to be having as you're walking. It's crazy the difference, mind, in terms of the natural ones compared to like supermarket. These ones are so much sweeter. Oh, look at this stuff. Quite mossy.
Yeah, it's a lovely bit of woodland, this. Dragonfly?
Quite a few different species in here.
Yeah, butterfly, yeah.
Brett, where are we?
I'm trying to think
think it's there somewhere. Yeah. That's a hell of a view. What do you think, Alec? What about that view?
Look at that.
And Brett's ruining it a little bit, but
All red out.
No.
you can't go that way. It's a trap. See. Brilliant. Whee! Bogfoot, bogfoot. Yeah, it's a hell of a view here, mind. Castell Carreg Cenen in the background.
Graceful this is going to be now.
Pure grace.
I bet look well cool doing that.
Alex next, mind.
Eventually.
Oh, here she comes.
What's that? What? How is it?
Ah, smooth as anything. Contemplating life over there, are you?
Yeah.
Stunning. It's class here. Fair play.
Got no boost of last week's tomorrow. Yeah, and I think you probably have it. Chances.
Yeah, definitely majestic. And then there's the castle. Whee.
Six simple words, 800
Stack.
years of history.
I can breathe in.
No.
How are we feeling? Fresh?
Yeah. Dry feet.
Slightly soggy feet, but it'll do. Castell. Yeah, don't get bit on day one.
One complete, and we're still going.
Jesus. I think that's a bit aggressive for Tom Rees outdoors, I don't know.
The man won't know what hit. The black mountain could be stuck with black and blue afterwards.
Yeah, the extra miles I'll do putting this out and coming back. Lovely. So was it, this is technically day 1.2.
Yeah, they want 1.1, one extra. But maybe one extra. That's better.
Oh, it's not quite warm now, there's no
Best castle in the world. Oh. Genuinely is my favourite castle. Castell Carreg Cenen. It's just the way it sits up on that hill. Absolutely stunning. Worth a visit if you haven't been.
Tired here, doesn't it? It's the rolling top over there. Good shit.
Slowly starting to get a little bit darker.
Yeah, that's just because the clouds are moving.
I could push on till 8. Get set up for the last bit of light.
Yeah, it's quite cool, man. The earth mound all the way around this.
Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it must have been a lot full.
Yeah.
Looks like it.
Something happened here long ago. Yeah. Very street sand time.
Framing. Right, we found first night's camp. This is the before, and I'll do one of these. Hey! Look at that.
Class.
Look camp.
Brilliant. You look very camp.
Hey!
Banter big way.
Might do one of them little hyperlapses. Gotta show the audience what we're eating. Well, most of it's gone now, but enjoy your meal, Brett.
Delicious.
What do you have?
I had couscous. What's that one? Veggie couscous.
Veggie
and some
couscous.
bread that my lovely husband Angus made me.
And how's your curry, Al?
Could be warmer, but it's very good.
Could be warm, but very good.
Yeah.
Right, we come to Brett now for review of day one.
Started off terribly, truly terribly. Tree down on the line, storm comes in, first named storm of the summer, brilliant. Soaking wet, but I mean, look at that view. That is, to top it off at the end of the day, yeah, that's pretty good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
It's a strong start. We come over to Alec Evans now. Review of the first day.
Well, after the fucking 4 hours I had to wait this morning, it's hard to give it a 10.
Do you mean after the bleeping?
After the bleeping 4 hours I had to wait for this morning, and the bleeping rain that I had to walk through, and that homeless man that tried to nick my tent. Since leaving Llangadog, it's been lovely, but I don't plan on going back there.
Are you happy with camp?
Yeah, I'm happy with camp, and that bleeping curry was real nice.
Out of 10?
What, the day or the curry?
The day.
9.
The curry?
7.
7.
Fair play. We've had it there from Alec.
Could be the last one.
Yeah, what they were referring to was in the first 2 hours, so me and Brett were meeting Alec in Llangadog, so we came on the train. Big delays, 2 hour delays, train down on the line. It wasn't good. Started walking and it was pissing it down.
Down on the line?
Train down on the tree. There's a tree down on the line. Started walking, pissing it down for what, 2 hours?
Something like that.
Got soaking wet feet. My feet were wet within 20 minutes, which was a bit crap.
They came out and they were like prunes.
Yeah, so that wasn't good. It was about 5 hours of walking with soaking wet feet. So it wasn't a great start, but like I say, can't complain with camp. And look at that for views. We've gone a little bit further than the day suggested. So eating up the mile so far. And look at that for a sunset. Beautiful.
Incredible.
Absolutely beautiful. Talking of beautiful.
Oh, charming.
Yeah, roll on day 2.